Hi, I'm Zubin. We're going to do something that's really passionate, and everything starts with passionate nibbles. Now, we're going to do something like a sandalwood smoked tomato soup. What this dish has is tomatoes, onions, garlic, some ginger, cardamom pods, and cloves, good helping of holy basil, which is tulsi, oil, butter, salt, and sugar. The sandalwood powder shavings are required only to smoke and infuse flavor in the dish. If you don't have sandalwood, then you can use any kind of wood. And we finish the dish with chopped coriander leaves. Now, garlic has been known throughout the years as a very, very strong aphrodisiac. In fact, in India, it was even banned to widows and to people who were studying for priesthood because it seemed to arouse their passion. For this dish, I heat the oil in a thick bottom pot and toss in the onions. I just wait till the onions are soft, then I add in the ginger, garlic, add in tomatoes, sugar and salt, and when the juice starts coming out of the tomatoes, I add in the cardamom cloves. I simmer this only for about 4-5 minutes and then I add 2.5 cups of water. When the soup starts to thicken, I strain it to a finely meshed sieve. Now, this soup is not like a cream of tomato soup. It's just supposed to be a broth, a very light, fragrant broth. It's almost like flavored water. Then I pound the tomatoes with the base of a spoon to extract the maximum possible, and I discard the remaining flavorings. Now the strained soup is placed in a bowl, and you can use a handheld smoker if you have one at home. Otherwise, you can follow the technique that I have enlisted down here. And I place the sandalwood flakes in a smaller bowl, which I set alight and place in the large bowl that contains the soup, and I throw in a dollop of butter over it. The smoke starts coming out almost immediately, and then I cover the entire container. After 20 minutes, I remove the container and taste and adjust the seasonings if required. The smoke flavor has penetrated through the soup, which takes it to a different level altogether. That was my secret of a passionate nibble. It starts everything off on a great note. And you know, what starts well, ends well.